there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I have printed out one of the pages from the Journal Me kit, which is on the right side, and then the left side is just a piece of paper from the print kit, and that didn't quite fit the piece of paper that I had in my binder here. I just keep this book together with rings, so I just put a little washi tape down there on the side. And now I will just be going through my box of scraps to find some. Oh, actually, excuse me, I actually printed out, these are some papers, so I paused the video there and printed out a few more papers from the print kit so that I could use them here to layer with my photo. And then I will probably also add in a couple labels that I printed out, which are also available in the print kit. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.